Hey investors, this is Doug Ehrman, contributor here at Seeking Alpha, talking to you today about why silver Wheaton is still the best play in the mining sector. Now while the stock is down nearly 30% year to date, it still stands as the best play, in my opinion, in mining based strongly on its business model and the overall position of silver as an industrial metal as well as a precious metal. At the most recent earnings release, the stock fell sharply on weaker than expected earnings, but there were some positive takeaways. The company was able to produce 8.4 million ounces of silver, a new record for the company, and while that only translated into 7.2 million ounces of sales, only a 4% year-over-year increase, it shows that silver Wheaton is still able to expand its business, and when you consider the fact that its all-in average cost is $4.14 per ounce, it's hard to see silver Wheaton as not being a strong play over the long term. Now, for anyone not familiar with the company, silver Wheaton is a streaming company, meaning that it contracts with other companies who actually do the silver mining and agrees to a preset price for the silver it buys. In the case of silver Wheaton's streams, then, it has a cost of $4.14 per ounce. With silver trading well above that, silver would have to fall literally by nearly 2/3 or more before silver Wheaton would see any kind of real threat to its profitability, and it's reasons like this which have allowed the company to keep a high operating margin. Furthermore, without the exposure to environmental threats and operating risk that classic miners face, silver Wheaton is largely protected. So while precious metals certainly have been hit and may be slow to recover, I think that silver Wheaton is in good shape. Now when it comes to the debate between silver and gold, silver has many industrial uses, which gold does as well, but the uses for silver as an industrial metal are more vast, and as a result, I kind of like the silver market a little bit better than gold. So ultimately, while these companies are under pressure, silver Wheaton remains my favorite play in the space, and I'd be looking to buy here for the long term. Thanks for listening.